Hello everyone, welcome to my introduction to the Swift Basics course. In this course, my name is Andy Wong. Wait, restart. Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today I am going to introduce to Hello everyone, welcome to the introductions of Swift Basics. I am your instructor, Andy Wong. For a brief introduction to my Hello everyone, welcome to my introductions to basics. Hello everyone, welcome to my introduction to Swift Basics course. My name is Andy Wong. A little background about myself. I am a software engineer. I have learned my coding languages. My first language is actually Java. I currently am an iOS engineer at a startup. I've created numerous apps, and I believe that that's not good. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to my introduction to Swift Basics video. In this course, you will be learning. No, let's make it sense. Hello everyone, welcome to my introduction to the Swift Basics course. My name is Andy. I will be your instructor here for this course. A little background about myself. I've recently graduated college. I have about 1 year experience as a full-time software engineer. As an iOS engineer, I have 4 years of intern experience and 4 years of iOS experience. And in this course, you will be learning the basics of Swift. So for this course, it's generally for people who have basically are first-time programmers, or you might be an aspiring iOS programmer with a bit of basic coding knowledge, like knowing your LUTs and vars, maybe some class and functions. This course will allow programmers to know the basics and are also for programmers who want to learn how to apply the basics to a basic iOS application, or for even designers who want to kind of bring the designs to life into an application. So who's this course not for? Well, this is for anyone who actually knows anything about var, LUTs, functions, public and private functions or classes, or even knowing storyboard at the basic level, or even professional programmers. This course really isn't for you. For this course, it's really learning about Swift along with the basics of programming using Swift. So anyone who has a good knowledge of var, LUTs, functions, and things of that sort, this course might get a bit boring. Of course, you're welcome to take this course. I would skip past some of them. Most of these courses are going to have titles that let you know what you can be learning from that video. So I would skip to more storyboard types of video, or even starting with the class project if you really want to start this course as well. So what you will learn from this course, if you haven't heard enough of that, you'll be learning vars, you'll be learning LUTs, public versus private, functions, class, and some storyboard basics. You will also be learning a little bit about optionals, and you will be learning about a bit of file privates and static functions as well. So a little bit here and there, but basically you're going to learn the basics of programming with Swift. And at the end of the course, you should be able to build a basic functioning application that will allow you to add, subtract, multiply, and divide two numbers. And for a bonus project for this course, I have also added the ability to allow users, if you are able to kind of basically take this to the next level, being able to do more than just two numbers, but be able to add, subtract, multiply, divide at any level and more than two numbers. So thank you for watching this introduction, and I hope you enjoyed this course.